So welcome to our stand at WHX 2026. This is Pirogov Interactive Anatomy, and we provide virtual anatomy solution for teaching in medical universities, nursing schools, and medical classes. In our solution, you can see a virtual dissection table, 3D anatomy app for teachers and students, and silicone cadaver that is linked with the system. Silicone Anatomy Simulator is a very realistic body made of platinum silicone. You can see a set of healthy organs in it. A set of pathologically altered organs also come together together with the body. Thus, you can teach anatomy, and the QR codes placed on the body parts link the body to the regions, to the same regions in the Pirogov Anatomy app, which is linked to virtual dissection table Pirogov that we offer. We're an international brand with 500 plus installations worldwide, and we are happy to meet distributors here at WHX. We are here for business, and we're looking for opportunities, and we're happy to say that this expo was very successful for us.